Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I recently published a Figma plugin called Design System Changelog, and in this video, I just wanted to give you a small demo around this. So the main problem I was trying to solve come from my day-to-day work. So whenever we update a component or a design token, one question keeps coming up. What exactly changed? Sometimes it's a small padding update, sometime a new variant, or maybe a token get renamed. But tracking those changes, maintaining versions, and writing release note is often a manual process. So to solve this problem, I have created this design system changelog. You can find it on plugin also because it's published now. You just search for design system changelog, click on this. Again, the first part that you have to do is to set up the baseline. I'll just push this component and just zoom it a bit. Yeah. So now, if you can see, like, first of all, you need to set up a baseline. Again, you can rename it. So suppose now you want to use this plugin to manage your changelog, you can just name it whatever version, whatever current version of your component is working on. You can just say like 3 point something, 3.10. Now this will be your baseline, and on top of this, everything will be noted on top of this only. I just click on this. This will be your base version. Now there are two ways. Either you can just minimize it and do your work, or just completely close this. I'll just now in this component, I'll just make few changes. I'll just set all the labels to be a bit more stronger. And again, these are just random changes. I'll just say like on this, I want to make it a strong one. And for this, I completely want it to be a pill shape, make it full, and we'll give some more padding this for testing purpose. On top, we just make it a bit more minimal. And for this, I'll just give you a 4 pixel basically. Nothing will change, but you will see the notice. You can notice the changes in the changelog plugin. For now, I'll just also remove the whole disable state and just keep it closed. Yeah. So now if I open that plugin and select this part, you can see all the changes that we have done. So we have removed two variants. One is a state disabled, value type is default and placeholder. And again, this is also a kind of update where we have property state changes and removed disabled part. For typo, we have make the base to the strong, and these are the states and value type that we have make this change. This is the layout change that we did from 8 pixel to triple 4 times of 9 to make it a full part. So these are the different changes that we did. Now you can just commit this. I'll just calling it as a major because you have changed a lot. You can just make it like minor. So this will automatically change because your previous version is v3.10.0. It will take minor as this, or we'll call it as a major because a lot of changes will come. I will commit this new version. It will automatically get into your data component list so you can know like what is the current version of your component. You can see this history of this component also. If I just download it, it will get saved on my desktop. I'll just click on this and you can see all the changes that I did in a MD folder. Again, there are many like the coming phases will be more of a automation. Like I will make sure it will directly link to the Git or basically directly link to your Slack. So you will see the new versions that are coming for this particular component. Second option is just to clip to copyboard. So if you want to do some manual process, you can just clip this part. Second is to manage the tokens. Again, for token also, you just need to set up your baseline for now. For now, I think we can say like we are on some 90 or like, let's say like 12 version. This is a random number. And we'll just close this part, go to variable, make few changes. I'll just make it as 400, 1000, making like, you can see like we have changed it in light and as well as in the dark mode, or completely adding a new variable. We'll call it as a active2 like hover2, and we'll give it as an icon, just a random values. Now, if I just reopen that plugin, and we'll see like this. So you can see like these are the new changes. We have added a new hover tool, and these are the updated parts. Again, you can follow the same process. You can just commit new version, download the MD file, and you can see all the changes. So yeah, this is the whole process of this plugin. The same workflow, like whatever I show you on the component part, the same workflow will works on the token part also. That's a plugin. If you are working on a design system, I'd love for you to try it out and let me know what you think. Thanks a lot.